the problem of the existence of false prophets. In the Bible we can read the following verse, from Matthew 24:11, that would appear false prophets. And we can see that on a daily basis. The big problem is that people accept what people say, without examining the scriptures properly. Jesus himself said in John 5:39, that he says that we must search the scriptures, and that this way we can understand, and not be deceived. But many people prefer deception to the work of searching the scriptures. When we read the verse after Matthew 24:11, that is, Matthew 24:12, the text links the question that iniquity would multiply and so love would grow cold. But how does this happen? If many false prophets appear, then many people end up considering that God is false, or that the scriptures do not have the truth. But in fact these people did not study the scriptures, they just listened to false prophets. In this way, false prophets generate an increase in unbelief, and favor apostasy. In fact, the important thing is not to listen to the prophets who appear, but to search the scriptures. 2 Timothy 3:16 says that all scripture is inspired by God, and useful for teaching and rebuke, and if we continue to read 2 Timothy 3:17, it says that scripture can help a person to be perfectly empowered for every good work. So what is important to break the apostasy, to reduce iniquity, is to search the scriptures. In Isaiah 8:20 he defines that if one does not speak according to the law and the testimony, such people will not see salvation. But this is how people should study more, be more cautious, and observe the principles of life described in the Bible. But Matthew 24:11 clearly defines that such people will deceive many, and thus after the deception of the deceived, religion loses its meaning, and apostasy dominates. So the effect of these false prophets is to directly reduce those who should believe in God, and now stop believing in anything. In fact, in this same theme of Matthew 24, in verse 13 we have that whoever perseveres to the end will be saved. So at the end of time, many false prophets appear, in a period of great difficulty, which creates apostasy, and those who study the scriptures, and thoroughly examine what he says, and persevere, these will be saved.
If you are looking for more content from different areas, visit the reformadorstasad.com website. News and detailed content can be found. With system of research and organization of text and video.